Blackstars the ye coach here me do nyame mo ko fa Yesu Kristo mra ye belusu ma chechena mo pa mo ko appoint Yesu mo ni Nyankopon ko negotiate no nsamra biom. Blackstars problem started from 1992. Nobody decided to look at it and fight the problem from its origin. Edu baby na Akanfo na ebo Blackstars no e disrespect abedi ayu pele so e tani when say we e tani and we agbeni na obo Blackstars ye was said ye treat you ha Akanfo mu dafo ye Akanfo na ye wo krom han wo ye duabo ye na ye say Ghana ye Akanfo we are the biggest problem of this country ha Akanfo ye wo Ghana ha no mo me ye jai jimi no na yema ya dream nda ho na yema o man ye ye Akanfo no we are the biggest problem of this country and it was an Akan who created the problem our Blackstars in 1992 enti abedi pele say okay I am the maestro some fi say me 10 in there okay let's see debia me catch us say answer no betimi ya solve problem bia no esese wo pe ba bia asem no efiri. Yeah, the tribal politics, shall say Blackstars in 1992. And almost started so moody, Abedi Peleni. And Abedi Pele Dimirika call Rollins or Quach and said, I'm going back to France. That I'm not Lyon. I'm going back to France. Monjimutim. So Rollins and ET had no choice. So you are the captain. You are the one who will protect. Basically, when he said Crawford, no Mukobo, 1992 African Cup, no one in Nkasa, one in Yaka. I can't find a woman in any Abedi Pele Yaka. Into Abedi Pele into Bianco joining East Legon executives. Say Sami Kufo, I don't Abedi Pele ni ho. Why if I say a choice and your choice? Because we're telling and the same thing and it happened in J. Kufuor's time. Germany 2006 answer na yebe kono. And tough one na team ni mu. Any I before maybe imply. Obi anko sra won. But opiemu it's not playing for Yako London. Ekwohwe Michael this last name ni yeden Essien. On the Jujonu, on the Abudu. On this Sadiq, yet to grow on here, tribal politics. Where Teddy, where are Ibeni, where Teddy, where are Ibeni? Eti, wait, yet to me, I shed their seb, Blackstars never should force a mobetimia. Yeah, politics now way football. Eti Otrado, bye bye, ye jump query. But yet, whosoever is coming, ought to be we. I'm not being tribal, but I'm telling you the problem with us.